In this video, we'll be taking a look at how to visualize project work and costs using S-curve and bar charts. QuickPlan makes it easy to visualize project data in a way that's easy to understand and interpret. To display the details of a particular date point, simply click on the chart at that point. You can also move the mouse while holding down the left mouse button to quickly switch the displayed date. You can choose to display either S-curve charts or bar charts, or you can display both charts together. You can also toggle the display of project work or project cost data, show or hide S-curve symbols, and toggle the date unit between days, weeks, and months. If there are a lot of points to display, you can select the horizontal size of the chart to be its natural width and support horizontal scrolling. Finally, you can choose to save the chart as a PNG image file to share with your team or use in reports.